Hello, this is Mike with Clark County Plumbing. I am at 1205 Northeast Adams Street in Camas, Washington. I've pushed out to the city main, which is about 53 feet, where it transitions from 3034 to looks like 6-inch concrete. I've accessed the sewer line through a toilet in the main bath of the customer's home, and I'm going to begin my inspection and start pulling back. City's clean out located at 45 feet 8 inches. This is now the city's, or excuse me, the homeowner's responsibility. It appears to be a 4-inch concrete pipe. Appears to be a minor offset here, transition from a male end of the concrete to the female end of the concrete. ABSY that appears to be coming from the back bathroom. Transitions from 4-inch concrete to 4-inch cast iron pipe. Minor belly in the line, about 2 feet. Remnants of baby wipes in the line that we cleared out when we did the original drain clean.